my god. Oh my god. Hi guys, it's me Issaplease and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then I hope you like me enough to subscribe. But if this isn't your first time, then welcome back. Today is an amazing day. Today I just feel like my whole life is changing. Today is gonna be really awesome. I can feel it. I'm owning it. I'm claiming it. I'm telling you, the universe, that today is gonna be the first day of the rest of my life. Last year, I started a series called Ay Bilat. Here it is.
Ay bilat! Sabi mo ba?
Hi, my name's Isa. And I was able to give my first TEDx talk because of that. There is a company here called ByTV. And what they do is they create shows. When they started off, they started with Malaya, Hi Malaya, and then they spinned it off to Laishu Kade, which is by my friend Alem Garcia, who I have been working with for, I think, 3 years already. And then they spun off to Dare David, and now they have Bayhana, which is my show. It is a spin-off of Ay Bilat. It's very niche, but it's very mine. It's very unique, and I'm so happy that they let me do the show on a different platform. If you watch the video later, you will see that I am pretty chubby in that video. My hair is different and stuff like that because I actually shot that video in early January. This was before Sinulog. My mom was here. I wasn't even married back then. And that's how long it has taken us to actually come to this point. I've probably worked on this for almost a year. And finally we are releasing the show, and it's making me very emotional. I just don't know. It's making me emotional because I started blogging underneath my stairs when I was 13 years old. Isa, we're not crying. Again, I learned HTML on my own. And then eventually I started vlogging. It's been 13 years later and I'm still doing this, and I really felt like, I don't know, I was very confused if this was really the space that I wanted to be in. I just always felt that this is what I wanted to do, but how much was I willing to give up for it? And I had this opportunity to do this show, and so I'm very excited, but I'm also very nervous because my life is changing so much, guys. That's why I haven't been making content. Not that you guys are really in love with my content right now. It's gonna get better, I promise. And so today, I will be launching Bayhana, and I'm so excited for that. So I figured that I would take you on this journey of what's happening to me the night before, or the day before, or the day of. This is Cody. Hi, love. This is Tom Tom. Hi, son. Look at the tail. He's so happy to get attention. This is Cotton. These are our annoyingly ugly fish. So we were actually successfully able to breed one Corridora. Wow. And then this has our shrimps that I absolutely love. Where you can't see it, but there it is. Ew. That's your mama's baby. What I've been doing, well, I haven't really been doing anything with fish, but I'm also working. Okay guys, so it is around 1:30. I didn't realize I was so busy on my phone or on my laptop, so now I'm gonna make lunch. This is what's inside my fridge. I want a sandwich. Let's take this out because cheese is essential. Okay guys, it is 2:30. It took me about an hour to make a sandwich. That's how amazing my cooking skills are. But here is my lunch. So I just made a grilled cheese sandwich. And then I just have a side of vegetables. And then here is some meat. Nga, ako na lang na siyang lanlanon unya whilst waiting and whilst working. guys, I have the biggest emotional support today. My good friend Alem is here.
Hello!
So-
Ready to for stardom na si Issa.
So, Alem is here because she's trying to pump me up and get me ready for later. And then we're gonna go to Bay. And then we are gonna watch the premiere.
Bayhana!
Ingna ko sa Alem, unsay akong gipainom ni mong gipakaw.
So, mag-English ta? So, I'm drinking a very special cappuccino. Shams! 3-in-1 Cafe Blanca. And a cookie from
Germany.
From Germany.
Da.
Ako ni, legit yun siya.
Dili, oy, buang
Ay,
ka.
ako din siya.
Kauhin. Well, sige, mag-chismis kami, guys. Hey guys, so I am at the Bay office. I'm wearing the shirt that I'm wearing in the video, and we're getting ready to launch. They're here. Alem is here. Hunter is here. He's the guy who helps me with editing my posters, and if I need help, he's here.
Hey, we're down to the last few minutes before Issa will have her stardom.
That's PJ who judges my editing and tells me that it's acceptable. So it will do.
I'm the child. Actually, there's the voice. Ako ang microphone.
So there's 30 minutes left. I'm just here chilling and being nervous and holding in my pee, and it's so cold. And actually, I'm wearing slippers. I felt that I should have had like a better outfit for like this moment, but I'm just trying to be comfy and not scared. Oh my god, it's 7. Oh my god, nag-alarm di ko sa phone. This is it, guys.
Your video post is processing.
OMG! Namugnaw ko.
Already posted though.
Posted na? Is the video is now I work. Mag-watch party ko ha. Oh my god, your connection. Oh my god. Oh my god. You no internet. Oh, she back though. Isunod tas panahon. Hala, di ko ka-type eh. Oh. Nanggahi akong kamot eh. Guys, di ko kiba mo stop sa akong watch. Ay, pisti na ra di ay.
84 likes in 29 minutes. Dahil laban na.
Nalipong ko day.
Sige, sa
Kanaging ako feeling ba init kaya ko parang nilabad na murag mubuto.
mga napday.
Labor na ba to? So, it has officially been 4 days since the launch of Bayhana, and hi guys, I'm Issaplease and I'm internet famous. Just kidding. But as of now, we have officially made 156,000 views in 4 days and 506 shares, 2,100 reactions, and 573 comments. I will admit half of the views are from me, and half of the comments are definitely from me because I've been replying to every single one. So I have definitely doubled the comment section. But it's been great so far. Honestly, like, my life hasn't changed so much in the last 4 days. I've just been hiding at home, working as usual, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, taking care of my hamster and my doogies. And life really hasn't changed that much. This is just something that I want to point out to people who are watching the videos and kind of want to make content and be viral and stuff like that. This isn't my first time to have a successful video. I've had a couple in my life, but this is really just like the kind of content that I really wanted to focus on and just create content on solely. I wanted to focus on women's health. And so if you're thinking that you're gonna come out with a video and you're gonna become famous and stuff like that, internet life and real life are completely different things. Like last night I went to Supermercado, one of my favorite places in the world, because like I wanted to get some drinks and stuff, and I was thinking, what if I go, and I'm not wearing makeup, and I might, like, people might want to come up to me and have my picture taken? guys, mas gitagad pang basurahan sa supermerkado kaysa nako. I'm saying this not because I wanted to be kanang gidungog. What's the term? I'm not saying this because I wanted people to like come up to me and flock me and stuff like that. I'm just saying this for someone out there, or for people out there who have this crazy idea in their head that you're gonna make a viral video and then the whole world is gonna know your name and stuff like that. The whole point of me making that video wasn't to become famous. It was so that I could create content online and have someone see the video and possibly affect their choices in life, or create an influence on them, a positive influence on them, or kind of change the way that they think. I wanted to create this video and show them that, hey women, there is this thing that could possibly enhance our means of living. Oh, by the way, yes, I wanted to really thank everyone who accepted the video wholeheartedly. Of course, no, there are really like a couple hate comments that kind of resonated with me. For the most part, I mean, honestly, it did affect me for like a second. I did have to sit back and think about what I was doing, if it was right, but good things always outweigh the bad things. My number one fear coming into Bayhana, or launching Bayhana with Bay, was that I didn't want people to misunderstand me. I was very grateful that the overall acceptance of the video was positive. Guys are tagging their girlfriends or their wives or their friends and telling them to buy. Girls are tagging their own friends, and then like people are just coming together and agreeing that this is really a video to provide information. 2, for entertainment. And 3, maybe to get you guys to get them if you feel like it really, really improves your lifestyle. I'm very happy that that came across. Like, akong thank you speech ba kay Wakoligo. I've been celebrating when we made 10,000 views. I celebrated when we made 20. I celebrated 500 more views. I've just been celebrating every little or big milestone I have celebrated. I have thanked God for, I have thanked you for, and I just want to keep doing this. And I think that all my decisions in life have led to this moment, and so I'm so happy. Like I'm just very grateful. So thank you guys. I hope that you like this vlog. Please stick around. I do want to do a question and answer portion video churva for you guys in the future. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them very soon. So I'm gonna eat now. Love you guys. Bye.